Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, my name is Sierra. I do mainly spooky content, but I'm gonna do a little rebranding and I'm going to start doing a little bit more other fun things, like holiday related things that don't have the spooky twist to it, but I will also be doing videos that do have the spookiness to it. So if you like the spooky videos, those will still be here, but if you like kind of cozier videos, more holiday driven videos, or what have you, those will also be here too. I want to be more like lifestyle and kind of showcase my life here on YouTube. So that includes a wide spectrum of things from spooky to sparkly and everything in between. Grab yourself a cup of cheer and let's jump straight into the video. So for today's video, we will be talking about this 12-day advent calendar from Target. I saw this on TikTok the other day and there was actually two. So there was a self-care and then there was the beauty one, which is the one that I have. And I immediately ran to Target because I was like, I need that. So it feels really weird to be doing this in November before December, but this will give you guys a good idea if it's something that you want or if it's something that you want to get for a family member or a friend. Now it does tell you everything that is in here on the back of the box. So if you don't want to know, just don't look at the back of the box. Maybe cover it with a piece of paper and that way you can be a little bit surprised. So we will just take this piece off and let's see it in all its beauty. I think this packaging is super cute. It's very girly. I love the gold detailing. I just think it's really cool. Okay, so I went back and forth in my mind thinking, did I want to start on day 12 and go to 1? But I think technically you're supposed to start on 1 and do the countdown to 12. So we are going to start with the first day, which is this one. And for day 1, oh, this is kind of a nice size product. This is the Collab Dry Shampoo and Original, which is really nice. This is gonna be great to travel with. So I only wash my hair about once a week, so I love dry shampoo, so that is gonna come in handy. If a nail pops off, no it didn't, mind your business. So for day 2, is a NYX product. Okay, not to be dramatic, but I had to use this. If you follow me on Instagram and you saw any of my Halloween looks this year, I did Lady Gaga as the Countess in American Horror Story, and I just had to hook this out. So that might actually be coming in handy. So the second day is the NYX Matte Finish. Oh, I almost read the other language. Finny Matte. So this is day 2, and it is a matte finishing spray from NYX. Again, this is gonna be really great to travel with. I actually needed a setting spray. Let's just go ahead and do a little right now. If you have not used NYX's setting sprays, they are very good, and I like the mattifying one because I don't look glossy. And oh, it is a little tiny guy. So this is from Winky Lux, and it is their Unibrow Precision Universal Brow Pencil. So it is kind of a universal shade. It's good for me because it's dark, but I feel like even my blondes and redhead girlies can also use it as well. Also, please excuse my chair. It is a little creaky, but we love her. Is another spray, so let's see. I really truly am gonna have to use this on everything. Okay, so this is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. So this helps strengthen hair, has heat protection, reduces frizz, detangles, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and has UV protection. So we have a little bit of everything all in this one. Oh my gosh, and it smells good too. So next time I wash my hair, I am definitely giving this a go. All right, what are we up to? Day 5. Ooh. We've got an e.l.f. product. Okay, so this is a hydrating lip shine in the shade Cheery. Let's go ahead and try that out. So it has this little heart-shaped hydration center. and it is kind of a peach toned gloss. This will actually be really great because I feel like my lips get so dry in the winter time, so that's gonna help out a lot. Okay, day 6. And it looks like we have another e.l.f. product. So this is the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bahamas. Let's get a nice little swatch. All right, so another kind of like peachy tone. I think in a very small little dose for me, this will be really nice. I can't do a lot of like orangey blushes, but I think if I just did a little, it could give a really nice kind of glow. Okay, we are doing really good so far. I'm really happy with everything we've gotten up to this point. I think this is my favorite square with all the gold lining around it. What did we get? Another e.l.f. product. This is their bite-sized face duo in spiced apple. Okay, look how pretty those colors are. Let's go ahead and swatch this as well. Okay, so I just checked the back. This is a highlight and blush duo. So, let's see. Okay, very pretty. And then the highlight. Ooh. I love that highlight so much. Now with my fair complexion, I can't do a lot of orangey tones, and it does seem that this has a lot of more warm tones. So if you have darker skin, I feel like a lot of this will look really, really good on your skin. This, again, I'll have to use just a little bit, but I think it could be really nice because sometimes I do want a more orangey, peach-ish blush. Try saying that 5 times fast. And this would actually be really pretty to put like in the center of my eyes as like an eyeshadow. So I think this is a great one. So let's do number 8. This is very cool. Okay, so this is a mini makeup eraser. Now, if you are familiar with this brand, you know that this is a reusable, washable makeup remover. And so this is gonna be great to travel with. So you do get some instructions with this. The bag is biodegradable, we love that. And here it is. It's got 2 sides, so you can definitely get all of your makeup off with this one little thing. But this is so cool. All you have to do is add water to it, and it just takes all your makeup off, and then you just throw it in the washing machine and you can use it again. I think it says you can use it up to 3 to 5 years, which is great. And it's good for sensitive skin, which is awesome because I definitely have the world's most sensitive skin. Okay, so this is like a really awesome one. That's completely worth the entire thing, in my opinion. Day 9. Tresemme, tried and true. If you guys watch any of my makeup videos, I used to do them over here for Halloween, but I mainly kind of do them on Instagram now. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll have that linked below. But I cannot tell you how many times I have used a wig and needed hairspray, so this is gonna be great because this is an extra hold. I don't use a ton of hairspray in my normal everyday life, but if I do like want to put flyaways back in like a ponytail, or if I do a quick little updo if I'm going to a wedding or something, I do love to have hairspray, so this will be great to just throw in my bag and take with me. All right, we're coming down to our final 3. Let's check out number 10. I love Real Techniques. These are some of my favorite makeup sponges to use. Oh, I can never get enough of these. So between this and the makeup remover, this is worth it. But look how squishy this is. So, I love this. So I use this kind of all over and the tip to get right into the corners of my eyes. So this is amazing. All right, let's go. Day number 11. Ooh, I love the brand Ollie. I have a couple different gummies by them. I have not tried this one, Undeniable Beauty. So this contains 2 gummies in it. Okay, so it's got biotin, keratin, and vitamin C and E, so this is great for your hair, nails, and skin. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, and for the final day, day 12, pencil. Okay, so this is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Very Berry. Okay, so let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that is a really pretty tone. To kind of line the top lash line and kind of smudge it out a little bit, I think that would be so pretty. I feel like you could also kind of use this as a base if you wanted to do like a deeper eyeshadow, like berry look. Okay, so that is the advent calendar. I think that we got some amazing things in it. I would totally recommend for $20. Like, I think that definitely paid for itself. I do believe they say that it is valued over $66. So I love it. I think it's a great deal. Really quick too, I just want to show you a couple more Target finds. So I did do a video in October for how I decorated the salon, so I am going to do one for Christmas because I do a really cute garland, not to toot my own horn, but I do love it. I got this to go on my cabinet because it's just a plain white cabinet kind of towards the back of the salon, and I felt like it just needed a little something. So I'm going to put this really cute wreath with this black bow, and I think I'm going to put the black bow kind of at the bottom and anchor it. And in my garland, which you'll see when that video comes out, I have these little candles that can just clip on to like a branch. So I think I might put a little candle in the center with the bow. Do you see the vision? I can't wait. So you'll see that soon. And then one of my things that I had my eye on because I saw this on the website was an artist named James Jeffers. And all of his like wrapping paper and like boxes and like packaging stuff was just so cute and so me, because it's cute but it's also got a little spooky vibe to it. So I'm going to show that to you guys right now. This is the first wrapping paper. I will insert a little photo of what it looks like over here, but it has all of these nutcrackers and like little rats. And it's just really fun. So it's a little spooky looking, but it's still very cute, I think. By the way, all of these rolls of wrapping paper are only $5. This next one I thought was so cool because it is gingerbreads and pretzels and snowflakes. Like, I don't know, but I was definitely here for this. It was the first one I grabbed. I was like, got it. And then there's this one, which is really kind of cool, but it does have little spooky elements in it where it's like these little, I don't even know what they are. They're just like little shapes that are just peering at you from between the stripes. So, and then it has these bows that kind of are tucked around between the stripes, and I don't know, I just thought this was very cool. And then the last, I want to call it wallpaper for some reason, it is most definitely wrapping paper, is this olive and almost like a dark green colored striped paper, but like, look at the little cat. What? So it's got all of these toys on it, like a Humpty Dumpty. There are narwhals on here and just all sorts of things, like a little mermaid. So it does kind of look very childlike, but it also has that kind of spooky aspect. There's like a snake on here. I don't know, I just thought that this was so unique. And so I got all 4 of these because I'm going to wrap everybody's gifts in different paper. And I don't know, there was a woman at Target today telling me about it, and I was like, that's genius, I want to do that. She basically was just enabling my shopping problem. I also got some greeting cards, and you will see why these were a must for me. So there are 10 in this pack, and so there's a few of each, but this was the reason I got this, and I'm going to probably use this one as like an actual photo print thing, but it is Krampus themed. And then it says naughty down the sides of each. All of these are blank on the inside, so you can put whatever you want, but I just thought this was cool. I just love little tiny Krampus up here. He's so cute. And then you have Santa down here, so you have, you know, for the good kids, for the naughty kids. So this was a must. Then we've got these little, I don't know, yeehaw gingerbreads. I don't know what you call this, but they're so cute. I just love them. I love their little britches. And then the final one is this fa la 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 carousel with nutcracker guys, or I don't even know. They're just like little toy soldiers. Okay, so it's little toy soldiers riding like dinosaurs and whatever with just, I don't know. I'll just show you. I'm kind of tempted to keep one of each of these because I can put these in a little frame and they're my vibe because they're kind of like spooky, especially the Krampus. I'm sorry, when I saw this, I was like, I need to have that. Like, there's no two ways around it. I need the Krampus one. It is very much my dark, moody Christmas aesthetic. And yeah. I also wanted to note too that this is one glass that came in a set of 2. This is also from Target. And it has the gold rim and the detailing, and it's just a dark green, and that clearly is my vibe this year. But I just love moody dark aesthetic Christmas, so I will probably be putting out more videos along those lines as we move forward. I will also try to incorporate some lighter kind of traditional Christmas because I do like that as well. I just tend to gravitate more towards like older, retro, Victorian looking Christmas items. I don't know. But yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. I would love to have you in my creepy, mainly creepy little corner of the internet. And I usually post videos every Friday. Sometimes I will double up in a week, but it just depends on the week. But I would love to see you guys next week, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.